everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how you can add Jira issues as tasks in teamwork projects automatically. So we are going to integrate two project management and collaboration tools automatically. So the idea here is that whenever you create a new issue into your Jira software, automatically using the details of the issue, a new task should get created into your teamwork account. For this, we need to create a connection between your Jira software and teamwork. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Jira with teamwork automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. Welcome back to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you are going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. Let's click on login. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Jira to Teamwork Integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever you create a new issue in your Jira account, automatically using the details of the issue, a new task should get created into your teamwork account. So this automation will be helpful for the collaboration and proper synchronization of your teams. So let's open this trigger window and let us choose the application name as Jira Software Triggers. And here in the trigger event, we have to select Configure Webhooks. Now we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So by following these instructions, you can set up the webhook in your Jira software. So I'll just copy this webhook URL from here and I'll take you to my Jira account over here. Here we can find the settings option. Simply click on settings and come to the system settings option. And here when we scroll down, come to the advanced option and click on webhooks. Now here we are going to create a new webhook by clicking on this plus sign, create a webhook. Now here we have to give a name to the webhook. So let us give it as Teamwork Integration. And here we have to select the status as enabled. I'll just erase this data from here. And here we have to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. And here we have to select issue related events. You can specify a JQL query to send only events triggered by matching issues. Okay, so now I want that whenever a issue is created in my specific project, then only this workflow should run. For that, I am just going to specify the project name over here. Project is equal to, and here I'll be just giving my project name. And my project name is Pabbly Connect Integrations. So I have given my project name. And here I'll be selecting the issue as issue created. Okay, let's scroll down and here we have to just click on create. So this particular trigger is going to run whenever a new issue is created in my Pabbly Connect integrations project. Now here I want to give you an important information that you need the admin account for all these settings options over here. You need to log in from your admin account. Okay, now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to create a new issue in our Jira account. So let's move to the project from here. I have to move to my Pabbly Connect integrations project. Okay, and here we are going to create a new issue. Let's click on create. And let us give the title as GitHub trigger issue. And I'm just giving the description as GitHub trigger issues not capturing the response. Okay, I have to enter S over here. Okay, GitHub trigger issues not capturing the response. So I have entered the description over here. Let's scroll down. Here we have to select the assignee to whom we want to assign this particular issue. So I am selecting the assignee name as Ashirai. Okay, and let's click on create. So here we can see that a new issue is created over here. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details related to the issue are captured over here. Here we can find the project name as Pabbly Connect Integrations. Let's scroll down and here we can find all other details also. And here we can find the field description as GitHub trigger issues not capturing the response. And here we can find the issue title also. So now we want that using these details, automatically a new task should get created into a teamwork account. So let's scroll down, come to the action step and choose the application name as Teamwork. Select the action event as Create Task. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection. Now it is asking for the subdomain. Your Teamwork subdomain, example Pabbly from your Teamwork URL. So if this is the URL, then Pabbly will be your subdomain. For that, I'll just take you to my Teamwork account. And here in the URL, we can find the subdomain. So I'm just going to copy this subdomain from here and I'll be pasting the same over here in Pabbly Connect. That is Pabbly to EU. Here you have to enter your subdomain and then click on Connect with Teamwork. Now here you have to enter your login details, that is your email address and the password, and click on Login. Login successful. Authorization successful. And now the Teamwork account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the project name. So I have created just one project in my Teamwork account over here, that is Pabbly Connect. So I'll be selecting the same project name over here, that is Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the task list. So in this particular project, I have created various task lists over here. I'll just show you. And here we can find the task list, name as Inbox, To Do, Completed, Priority Task. So now I want that all the issues should get created as a new task in my Priority task list over here. For that, we have to select the same task list name over here in Pabbly Connect. So I'll just refresh it for the new items. And now let us select the task list, that is Priority Task. So now it is asking for the content, description and other details of the task that needs to be created. So we have already got the issue details from our trigger response over here. So we are going to map these details now. Let us scroll down. Here let us map the content from Jira software. And the content was GitHub trigger issue. And in the description, let us map the same description from Jira software, that is GitHub trigger issues not capturing the response. Okay. Now if you want to specify the start date and the due date, you can just give it over here. Who is responsible? So I want this particular task to be assigned to Ashmita only. So I have the same team member in both of the projects. So the issue was assigned to Ashmita and here also I am assigning the task to Ashmita only. Okay. Now do you want to notify? You can select it as per your requirement. I am just selecting it as no. Here you can select the priority. So I am just selecting it as high priority task. And here you can give the tags also. So I have given the tag as priority and we have entered all the details. Now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means a new task is created in our task list of our Teamwork account. So let us check it. We have to just refresh our Teamwork account. Okay, and here we can see a new task is created in our Teamwork account. That is GitHub trigger issue. Let's open this task. And here we can find its description as GitHub trigger issues not capturing the response. And here we can see the tag as priority, and this particular task is assigned to Ashmita Mandal. So in this way, we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now as we have created an integration between Jira software and Teamwork, next time whenever you are going to add a new issue in your Jira account, automatically using the details of the issue, a new task will get created into a Teamwork account. So let us check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just move to my Jira software account once again. And here let us create a new issue. So I have selected the same project name over here, that is Pabbly Connect Integrations, issue type as task, and I have given the title as Google Task Issue, and I have given the description as Google Task Action, create task not working properly, and here I am just going to assign this task to Ashmita Mandal only. Okay, and let's click on create. Okay, and here we can see that a new task has been created. Now let's move back to our Teamwork account. I'll just close this task details from here. We have to just refresh it. Okay, and here we can see a new task created named Google Task Issue. And here we can find its description, that is Google Task Action, create task not working properly, and the tag as priority, and here we can see that the task is assigned to Ashmita Mandal only. And in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Jira and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the new issue that you have created in your Jira project. And then using the details of the issue, automatically a new task was created into your Teamwork account. And in this way we have created a successful integration between Jira and Teamwork using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.